Hey all, in today's video, we are going to check how to create a folder in Python if it is not already there. So this is our project directories Python game viewer. So here we have to create a folder 2024 if not there. So here is a code using OS module. We already familiar with OS module. We already check whether a file exists or not using OS module. So in the latest videos, so here we are going to check. Sorry, here we are going to create a new folder if it is not already there. So first you have to check if it is there. If it is not there, only you have to create that. So we'll check it out that. So here first you have to mention folder path where we have to. This is our path and this is the folder name. So next we have to write a function to create a folder. That is create folder function. Define create folder function. It take an argument folder path. Then using that OS module, we will check out if that folder is exist using path.exist. That is a built-in function inside that module. So if not, that means if it is not there means you have to create folder. That also will be using OS module make directory. So this is the syntax OS dot make drs. Then you have to specify the path. Then automatically it will create a folder with that time. Else you have to print already exit that folder. Run this script. Say folder is created. You can see 2024 is created. So as we mentioned, folder 2024 is created. So again, we are running that script means you should come to else case, right? Because this function will return else case statement. So we'll run this again. See folder already exists. So I'm going to change it to 2023 and we are going to run this again. So it will create a folder 2023. Simple, right? So this OS module is so helpful for my handling this like of situation. There are a lot of functions like os.path, os.name, os.current directory. A lot of things are there inside this module. So now we are little familiar with OS module. So whenever handling with files, folders, we can use these modules. There is nothing in this side. We are just checking path.exist and just making os.me. Make DARS. This will create a folder as mentioned. Just your hope you understood that. If you having any doubt, add in the comment section or any suggestion you can add that in the comment section. Thank you for listening.